Hey guys! We are going to be making a version of French onion chicken tonight, which sounds really good. It's been a while since I made one of these. I am expecting, and it has sucked the energy out of me, so I have not been in the mood to do any videos. But let's see how it goes today. So we are going to, say hi! We're going to be heating up our skillet. I already have the oven preheated to 400. I'm going to put this on medium-high heat and just put some olive oil in there and let it start heating up. And then we're going to salt and pepper some chicken. Alright, so we are going to salt and pepper some chicken here. Just going to do like the top one side, and then when I put it on in the skillet, then we'll do the other side. Okay, you press down and you press on top. There you go.
Oh, I did it.
You did it.
Can I do another one?
Yeah.
Yay!
Alright. Okay, do it one more time. Jeez, girl.
I want to make sure it's fully in.
Is that all the way for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so now I'm going to salt and pepper this side.
Oh, can I do salt? Can I do pepper and salt?
Yeah.
Yay!
Get the salt.
Salt. Salt. And salt. I got salt. I got salt. I got salt.
Okay, you got to kind of sprinkle it over all of them, okay? Not a lot, just kind of, yep. There you go. Good job. Alright, so we just want to brown each side and then flip them over, and then we'll add the rest of the fun stuff. Alright, so I'm pretty sure they're browned now. I'm going to go ahead and flip them. And I forgot to say, it said to use like 5 to 6 chicken thighs. I don't have chicken thighs, so I cut up, I think it was like 4 breasts. And now while the other side's going to brown, I'm going to add in the onion. And these don't have to cook all the way through because we're going to be putting this skillet inside the oven a little bit here. So. Alright, so now we're going to be adding in 1 can of French onion soup. And now we're going to be adding in 1 can of green beans. I'm using just the cut green beans. And then I'm going to be putting this in the oven, 400-degree oven, for 20 minutes. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and flip them so now the other side can get in all the juices. And then the last step is we are going to put crispy onions on top. and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright. Ouch! Hot, hot, hot. There it is.
Are you good?
Yep.
I said, hot, hot, hot.
I did.
Did you burn yourself?
No. Yummy. It smells really good. Excited to eat it.